Hi again from Hannover Messe. I'm here with Frank Schmidt-Küntzel, one of our key partners, Telefónica in Germany. Frank, tell me a little bit more about our partnership.
Yes, so we have a long-term partnership with Nokia anyway in the group, and also in Germany, half of our network is based on Nokia technology.
Yeah.
So the partnership is there forever, and now we are promoting, accelerating the partnership also in the private network domain.
Yeah.
And that's why we have the NDAC here showing this as the additional product in our portfolio.
So what do you see when you talk to manufacturers in Germany and beyond? What do they need? Why do they need 5G?
Yeah, so why do that 5G is just because at some point of the digitalization, they reach a point where Wi-Fi is not enough. Yeah, and it's either because of latency, because of reliability as well. And especially the NDAC has been known for time to be very reliable, to be a compact industry-grade solution. So that's why this is a good choice. And now we learned that there is this compact version coming, which will scale down to a smaller size business as well, which is of course important because the business case is not necessarily there from the first day, and to be able to address entry projects or smaller companies with a more compact private network technology is worth a lot, especially for the start of the market, since we still are on a market that is growing strongly but not yet huge.
Yeah, exactly. And actually one of the research we had with early adopters is that 80% of early adopters see an ROI within 6 months. So actually the business case is absolutely there. Smaller versions will enable smaller sites. So that's great. So what would you say to manufacturers that really want to hold on to Wi-Fi? How can they lower the threshold?
Well, it's not wrong to keep stuff on Wi-Fi. It's just a question, at some point you will reach applications that need a specific latency to be always kept. And to keep a latency for a single connection, you need a control, you need a central control like 5G technology, like what is provided by the NDAC, for instance.
Yeah.
And therefore, that is one thing, and then the reliability of in movement situations, which is also something that is starting in Wi-Fi, but very, very far from what 5G can do, which everybody using Wi-Fi can confirm. The only question is, when do these more demanding applications come for a specific company? Some will still need some time, and some are already there now.
Yeah, and they can use both Wi-Fi and private wireless, so they have those layers, right?
Absolutely, that's also another thing, that to be able to combine both technologies, that's what you have been announcing here, is another asset to help them move slowly, because you cannot switch off the Wi-Fi applications and move them to 5G in a day. So the cohabitation of Wi-Fi and 5G is almost mandatory for most customers.
Exactly.
Therefore, this combination is also worth a lot.
Yeah, that sounds good. So what do you want to show? What is your key takeaway for the audience here to come and see you at your booth here at Hannover Messe?
Well, okay. First of all, yes, we can do everything companies need for campus networks, for private 5G networks here, and also combinations between private and public networks, synergies, hybrid network, even slicing.
Yeah.
And what we're showing here is most of the use cases. Why do you need a private network? So use cases like this one, where you have a AR, VR driven training of maybe non-trained, less trained, new employees, or also just to get an expert to support you in case of problem. So that's just one example. We have others with the umbrella over
AGV. So you should
AGVs.
all the wide variety of use cases here as well. Great, thank you so much.
You're welcome.